Hello, wonderful viewers. Thanks for checking in, and this is the Avenue. And on this platform, we are going to show you how some of these applications that we use on our phones can earn we some income or passive income. When we talk about passive income, we are talking about when you have an application and you send a link to a friend, and they also send a link to a friend. You end up earning because they are also working for you. That is passive. You can sleep and it will still be working. And then all these are also called affiliate. And I don't know if you guys have heard of affiliate marketing. And so they had to bring something called a Cryptotab or a Cryptotab, which is a browser, and it has the same surface like a Google Chrome. So anything you want to search, anything you want to do, you do it on the tab, which is the browser. So actually, the difference between the Crypto tab and then a YouTube or a Google browser is the difference, or Google Chrome. The difference is that Google Chrome doesn't pay you, but crypto pays you in Bitcoin. And when you have Bitcoin, you can always trade and even sell it to anyone who has a Bitcoin token and is ready to buy your Bitcoin. So let's get ready and then show you what this crypto tab is all about. Actually, let's go to my dashboard. And so here I'm able to gain some few points here, and then as you can see, you have a withdrawal section where if you get to a minimum withdrawal, they will be able to send you through your Bitcoin wallet. And so I use Coinbase. I will have a tutorial on Coinbase where you have a Coinbase wallet. We have other platforms, but Coinbase is actually secured also. And then we have another ones too that will soon be introducing to the channel. And so Cryptotab, yes, Cryptotab is all about using the browser. And if you want to watch YouTube, you want to go on Facebook, you want to search anything searchable, you come to the Cryptotab and use it like the Google Chrome. Okay, so here we have something called mining, and we have the affiliate, and we have the total earning. Mining simply means that if your internet is working, the phone too will be mining some coins without you knowing. So here it is. I have some points here that it will be mining for me. An affiliate simply means people you have given or you have sent your links to, or whatever they are doing, it will come onto this tab. So they calculate both your own and then their own, and then they pay you. Do you understand? And then you have the withdrawal section here. And so here is the your crypto browser link where you copy, and then you have, okay, so this is my links. So I have some few people in my under the link. I have downloaded 3 items, I have installed 2 items, and active miners, so I can connect it to all my phones, my laptop. So by the same account, you don't change the account, the same account. So it means that if you have 5 phones, you can connect all to your 5 phones. If you have 10 phones, you connect all to the 10 phones and have people using the same whatever they are doing and all that. And it will be mining for you. Okay, so you have the mining network. So under my mining network, I have opened link opened 7, downloads 3, install 3, active miners 3. So I have not earned anything yet for this week, but I think yesterday I did something, yes, and today I think they've not started paying yet, or they've not started reading me yet. So but actively my 2 phones are working. So Yes. And my referral level. So I have 7 referrals and 2 of them are active. So I'll have to knock on their head and say, hey, come on, start active. I'll start mining. You understand? Start doing something, start searching on something. Use your Facebook, your YouTube, watch videos, anything. Do something on your phone. So this is the bar, all the activities that you are doing this week, last week, and any of the days. So if you're not performing, it will show that you're not performing. So here you are. So let's go back to the link. Yes. So with the links, yes. So it has to do like this. Let me show you something. Okay. So let's see. Promo. Promo. I mean, how do you promote? So you have already made promo materials with your personal referrals. So already they have prepared your referral down. So this is your link. This is standard. You can generate um, something to advertise your. So you can choose any of this, you copy it and you share to friends. The one you think it will be attractive to your friends. General ones. We have video you can share to your friends, which the links will be under it. Okay, so these are videos, and then mobile. So let's say you can send this to your friends too. Your link is actually embedded in it already. So you just have to copy and you share to your friends. And then you are good to go. And images, you can always download any of the images, add your caption or any language you want to use, and you send to your friend. And text. I'm like, hey, everybody, check out the brand new Cryptotab browser. You just use it like a regular browser. Watch YouTube, browse websites or social media networks, and earn income in BTC at the same time, thanks to its inbuilt mining algorithm. So here you go. You just click on WhatsApp and then you are good to go. And then promos. So you can use any of the already made videos and then you promote. So I'm looking for something here. Okay, let's see if I'm going to get it here. I just want to show you something. So grow a large mining network and get a ready flow of income for long. What is more, you will get an additional percentage from your referrals mining profit. Invite more people and earn up to 1 BTC. And you can imagine 1 BTC. So this is the channel. So level 1, you get 15% of every income your friends make when you have when you have 5 friends. And then level 2, when you have 25 friends, you earn 10% of their income. So it goes and on and on and on and on. So how do we calculate? So now this is the big bomb. So let's say I have invited 5 friends, and my 5 friends have also invited their 5 friends. How much will I get in a month? So it's calculating. So in a month, because I invited 5 friends, at the first round, I get $3. Yes, $3. So level 2, if I'm able to invite 25 friends, I get $10. So 125 friends who are going to be under me, I get $25 a month just for using the browser, and they are also working, but it can always increase. So now if I have, let's say, 3,135, which you can easily get because when you refer and refer, I mean 3,000 you can easily get there. So let's even forget about 3,000 and let's make it like 625. The level 4, you get $75 a month without just using your browser for all the regular and ordinary things you do every day. Yes, every day, just using your browser, to not actively doing something so serious, but just if you want to search for something, you want to watch a video on YouTube, you just go on the browser, and if you install it automatically, it configures with all the things on the phone, and immediately you click on the Cryptotab Android or Cryptotab browser on your laptop, you are good to go. So let's do another calculation. Maybe in my level 5, in my level 1, I invited 5 friends, and then they invited 10 friends. Let's say I have invited 5, and under me, they have also invited 10 friends. So let's do that calculation. So when I invite 5 friends and they invite 10 friends, it will extend to 500, and that is $100 a month. That is awesome. So I mean, seriously awesome. Bro, for the so you understand. So basically, this is how the chat flows. So let's say maybe you didn't do much. You just had 50 friends, and this is passive. When I mean passive, it means it doesn't die off. You will always be earning every time they use their phones. Always, every time they are using the browser. And you have to always, if you want to really make it to get to the maximum, come on, this is huge. Imagine you having this every month. Wow. Five, I can't even mention it. Man. Okay, let's say 500,000 followers or 500,000 people are using this. That is $20,000. So let's say 5,000 people are under you. $600 a month. Ooh. This is cool, man. You understand? So keep mining. Keep mining. You see, in 2-in-1 solution, browse and mine at the same time with ease. Sync your browser data on multiple devices. Build in mining algorithm increases your mining speed up to 10 times compared to extension format. 10-level referral network system. Payout straight to BTC wallet at any time. Get more than 1 BTC. Develop the network and get your reward. How to start earning. Yes. So this is what we do. Start earning today. Publish a promo post with your personal link in social media accounts and instant messengers you use most. Encourage and motivate people to install Cryptotab Browser and become an active user. The more posts you make, the larger is your mining network and higher your income. Share your personal link in all your media accounts and instant messengers. WhatsApp, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. Yes. And then people install Cryptotab Browser and join your mining network. Okay. Members of your mining network use browser and mine. The reward you get in BTC depend on your mining network performance. So I spread it out clear. So get access to thousands of promo materials. You don't need to hustle, write something, get everything here. Get access to the tab right from your mobile phone. So you just come here and then, you just download. But the download, the link is below the description. So you just have to click on the link and they send you straight to the application, and then you download straight up onto your iOS or your Android. You get what I'm saying? So you are good to go. If you are watching me for the first time and you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and then always click on the notification button so that anytime we make a video, you can always have it or watch it, and then make some money. Thanks for watching.